Yo, it's good? It's your boy Kurt. And finally, no? Finally, we're here. Ito mo sabi mo na we are very late. Kumbaga sa kumbaga sa pasok sa school, yung pauwi na pero pumasok ka pa. Garon tayo ka-late, no? Ang dami-dami na sa inyo nagre-request nito. Nung nakaraan pa, November pa ata. November pa, right? Yeah, basically we're gonna react to halftime performance or halftime show performance ng SB19 sa 2025 HOK International Championship. We are so behind sa performance na to, no? Sobrang dami kong iniiwasang video na nagpapakita nito or anything about HOK kasi ayoko ma-spoil sa performance nila. But yeah, finally we can react now to it, and this is from the channel HOK Esports. Oh, okay, we are on the channel of HOK. Awesome. I'm really excited with this. No, I don't know kung paano nila or kung ano yung magiging choreography nila dito sa sa performance nila to kasi. Alam naman natin na meron silang kanta para sa HOK or Honor of Kings, yung Burn the Flame. And again, wala pa namang nilabas na like music video or choreography video yung kantang yon, 'di ba? Just a lyrical video. And also a music video pero hindi naman sila. Hindi naman SB19 pinakita. So, I don't know kung meron ba silang choreography or just singing it like straight up singing the song, but I'm really excited with this, man. I'm really excited with this. Without no further ado, let's get it. Every single time, no? Lagi na lang parang concert eh. Parang concert, halftime show sila dito. Halftime show, no? But lagi parang concert vibe, eh, no? Concert feels. Tag. Let's go. Oh, well, I guess we have a choreography now. Doon mo malaman na merong choreography. I don't know. Kasi may backup dancer pero I actually don't know kung Burn the Flame ba yung kakantay nila umpisa. I hope, no? Kasi this is HOK. Oh, alright. Stell is just always giving us a fan service. No? Just constantly giving us a fan service. Kahit wala siyang ginagawa, no? What the hell? Is that an extension? Extension yan, no? Extension yan. I feel like I have a what you call this, like a 2023, 2022 throwback, no? Vibe kay sa buhok ni Pablo. Yan, alam niyo yung blonde yung buhok niya, no? Parang nakamalit siya. Hey!
Take on all this enemies by willpower. Infinite.
That fucking vocal run is fucking crispy, no? Ah, man, Pablo. Hey. Okay. Yung parang parang vocal run na parang pang Indian, 'di ba? Yung nabanggit ko nga during reaction. Ano pala 'yon, no? Halong vocals ni Josh and ni Stel. I see. Hey. Hey. Warrior. Hey. 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 I mean, I don't know kung sino gumawa ng choreography nito pero bagay, no? Bagay. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man.
What is up, KIC?
I mean, gaano kaya karami ang pumunta dito because of just SB19, no? Wala talagang pakialam sa laban. Dito sa, sa championship na nangyari ngayon. Kasi again, we have a lot of, Mommy 18, right? Na, of course, yung fina-follow talaga yung mga performance ng SB19. And, I mean, most probably, we have like a Mommy 18 na hindi naman kalaro ng HOK, right?
KIC, make some noise!
Woo!
Make some noise! Kumusta yung performance namin?
I mean, the crowd in here is, active.
Sabi nila HOK daw.
It's okay.
Pero bago kami magsimula ulit, gusto lang namin magpakilala. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang mga pala si Pablo. Hi everyone, my name is Stel.
Napakilala pa rin no?
Hi everyone, I'm Justin. Hello everyone, I'm Josh. Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Palakas ang palakas. Palakas ang palakas, gano'n.
Ayala, 18. Kamusta naman yung first performance namin ng Burn the Flame?
Yeah, oo nga, wala. No? This is the very first performance, no? Ng Burn the Flame. Magbubutil na si Pablo.
Kamusta yung performance namin? For sure, nagustuhan nila yan. Salamat. Tsaka, grabe. Parang naka-million streams agad to. Ah, talaga? Oo. Ano pa siya eh. Yung sales worldwide na top niya. Oo. Ito ba yun? Pang-4? Hindi ko na maalala, pero maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa SB19 sa kanta. Siyempre sa HOK.
It's okay.
Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Burn the Flame po is the official soundtrack of Honor of Kings.
Let's go.
Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung performance.
Yes. Sayang, di ka sumali, pre. Dapat sumali ka. Sana nakaabot tayo sa finals, di ba?
Sayang nga.
Pero we just want to congratulate everyone, of course, for the finalists and sa lahat ng lumahok dito sa country natin, sa home country. Balita ko hindi syempre nakapasok ang home country, but next time, alam naman natin, palag-palag yan.
So yung
We just want to
ang grand finals, hindi kasama ang team natin.
syempre, take this opportunity to, of course, promote our upcoming tour. It's gonna be this week na. We're gonna be going to
So laglag pala tayo, no? Buti na lang meron tayong yung official soundtrack ng HOK is SB19, no? Still Filipino. Like a P-pop group, no? Sayang na, no? Di tayo nakapasok sa laglag pala tayo.
Australia. That's gonna be on December 5 at Melbourne Town Hall. And so December 6, Sydney at Northwest Convention Center. December 12, Auckland, the Trust Arena. December 14 at Red Hill Auditorium. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the tickets are available at
Oh, man.
humanitarians.com for
This mall is Ayala Mall, right? This mall is not enough, no? For this.
Melbourne, Sydney, and
Shit.
Auckland. And also visit mushtix.com for Perth. So yeah, I hope you can get your tickets. May gusto lang yung tanong, napakinggan nyo na ba yung The First Take performances namin?
Yes!
Napanood nyo na
Yung isang video ako naka-block.
How about time?
Yes.
Oh, na-enjoy nyo ba yung performance namin sa The First Take?
Opo.
And to those na hindi pa napapanood yung performances namin sa The First Take, you can listen to our performance sa TFT YouTube channel. And kung yung mga friends nyo hindi pa napapanood, send nyo sa kanila yung link para mapanood nila. Yes, that's right.
Yes, that's right.
And of course, gusto ko po na magpasalamat sa lahat ng nakinig ng Burn the Flame. And syempre, nakasali siya sa Billboard World Digital Sales. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Let's go.
18, especially sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. And of course, gusto niyo pa ba na isa?
Oh.
Of course.
Yeah, I mean, this is a 19-minute video, no?
I say you guys want more!
Yes!
Let's go for our next song. It's Moscow Dunka. Let's go!
Hey. 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 Oh. Di mo ipigilan talaga.
May kumatok sa pintuan kung nakakandalo. Parang ibang nagpupumilit kahit di talo. Buyanadong
Desperado huliga. Malbo. Kailangan para sa kanin.
huwag na magtangka pa sumaliseo. Daming patibong
Glupit ang pasok ni Justin dun, ah.
huwag na magtangka pa sumaliseo.
Hey!
Daming patibong nag-aabang dyan sa tabi. Pasensya ko'y medyo mariseo.
Ako.
Yung pumayopin, malupit ang malupit. Dito sa bahay ko, ayaw magulo. Ang aabutin mo, palo, palo. Di ka na sino, masang malatas ako.
Hindi mo to gusto.
Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka.
Hindi mo to gusto. Uy. But you know what? You know, I just realized, no? Na again, sobrang tagal ko na sinasabi, no, na medyo hindi ko feel yung blonde hair ni yung short blonde hair ni Ken nung nakaraan. But that's actually an iconic look para sa Dungka, no? Yung itsura ni ni Ken doon. I just realized, no? Na ngayon na kinakanta to nila ng yung Dungka, tapos ganito yung itsura ni Ken. Kasi parang ang itsura ni Ken ngayon is parang yung, alam mo yung ano, like, mukha siyang protagonist sa isang parang fantasy manhwa or like a regression type or isekai type na manhwa. Parang Sang Junwoo, no, ng Solo Leveling, yung vibe na parang mysterious, seryoso. Ngayon dating niya eh. Unlike doon sa itsura niya ng Dungka na parang playful, no, mapang-asar, maangas. So yeah, I mean, I guess yun yung pinagkaiba ngayon. Kasi itong part na to kasi di ba ito yung part na parang ang kulit ni Ken dapat sa part na yan. Pero ngayon dahil sa itsura niya, mukha siyang mysterious pa rin at seryoso. Yeah, di ba? I know we can I don't know about you guys, but we all know that we can see the face of Ken, no, na gumagawa siya ng like wacky face, like usually ginagawa niya sa Dungka, but yung impact nung blonde hair niya before is iba eh, no? And usually pag Dungka, si Ken yung merong usually na para sabihin to, like brighter color na damit, di ba? Ang kulit no? Binuhat eh. Tumalon tapos binuhat eh. Itong si Kuya. Tapos ito. Isa sa mga na-enjoy ko sa Dungka eh. Every time na nanonood ako ng performance sila, parang pag pinanood mo yung W3 sa background, ang dami nangyayari, no? Ang dami mong mapapansin sa pinagagawa nila. Ina-enjoy talaga nila yung performance. Every single fucking time, man! Ano ba gusto mo? Mawala sa focus yung mga nanonood, ha? Hey! Hey! Good. Hey. By the way, I'm sorry for posting too much, no? But, nagkaroon na ba ng time na pare-pareha silang itim ang buhok? Like, lahat talaga sila itim ang buhok. Kasi ngayon, parang konti na lang eh. Diba? Si Josh kasi 50% eh. 50% kasi si Josh eh, no? Pero kung mag-iitim lahat na yung buhok nila itim eh. Kung totoosin, kung papaitim si Josh ng buhok. And di ko talaga maalala kung kailan yung time na lahat sila sabay-sabay itim yung buhok. I mean, hindi kasama yung during training, ha? Hindi kasama yung during training. Like, debut na. Like, ano na sila? SB19 na sila. Gusto. Grabe, no? dope, it's dope. Let's fucking go, man.
Yeah.
That's flying performance.
Yung energy nyo dito.
Oo nga, no? Alive na alive yung mga tao. Hindi ganun kalaki yung lugar, pero men, mararamdaman mo yung mga tao alive na alive.
Much, W3, thank you.
We're just very thankful. It's such a wonderful opportunity.
Isa pa daw?
Nako, batay tayo dyan.
Isa pa daw?
Just so you know, dalawa lang po ang prepared namin. Gusto nyo pa ba?
Oh, shit.
Gusto nyo pa ba?
You guys are gonna get us tired, huh?
Pero, we just have one request. One request. Pag mag-iisa
I mean, I guess kaya nilang gawin, no? Kasi, I mean, they are constantly doing a tour, no? So, basically, kumbaga, ang gusto ko sabihin is kaya nila mag-freestyle kahit na hindi nila masyadong gamay yung stage for that specific song. 'Di ba? Kasi again, yung stage, ang laki ng stage is nag-matter sa choreography ng kung gaano karami yung dancers, right? But I guess, sobrang tagal na nilang nagtutour. Iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang laki ng stage. Parang sobrang flexible na sila pag, pag iba-perform, I guess. Kaya kaya siguro nila yan.
pa kami, pwede bang sumayaw ang lahat?
Well,
Pero,
Wait, is this gonna be Crimzone? Is this gonna be Crimzone?
but, no pushing. Wala pang magtutulakan. We want everyone to enjoy
Nagka-stampede, no? I'm joking.
the moment.
I'm
especially
joking, guys.
on the
Kalma,
second
I'm
floor,
joking.
Third, fourth, fifth. Wala pang magtutulakan, okay? 18, is that okay?
Naglaglaga sa second floor, no? Sobrang tulakan, naglaglaga sa second floor. I'm joking! Easy!
everyone's okay to dance and enjoy as long as no one gets hurt, okay? Safety first, okay? Pero we want your energy to go up, okay? Okay, let's try. Do you want more? Mahina pa, yung pinakamalakas. Gusto nyo pa ba ng isa?
Opa!
Pero, bago tayo umisa, syempre,
Bago tayo
we
umisa,
want to
no?
thank all the people who's here today. And, syempre, of course,
Si Wailmer.
thank you, Honor of Kings.
Wailmer
and
ba yan?
good luck.
Hindi. Si Wailmer tuloy. Yung isang legendary Pokemon, Dragon, yung nila, Rayquaza, si Groudon, tsaka si... Oh, shit. I forgot the name. Comment down below. Alam ko sila, one of the legendary dragon na Pokemon. Yun, ito siya.
And, syempre, of course, thank you, Honor of Kings, and good luck to Homeboys and Nova sa championship.
Yes,
maraming
congratulations.
salamat po for having us here. HOK family, thank you so much. We are very happy to spend the day with 18. Masaya ba kayo nakasama kami?
Yes po.
Parang di kayo masaya. Masaya ba?
Hindi po masaya po. Yes po.
Yung pala eh.
And
Lahat
you-
ba ng tao
Pala.
dito nag-HOking na?
It's okay.
Sigurado kayo?
Ako po hindi. Again, tinatamad na ako maglaro ng competitive games, no? Masyadong umiit lang yung ulo ko. Usually, yung ngayon, yung mga larong nilalaro ko is, I guess, solo games, like RPG or story-based game. I don't know kung kailan ako babalik ng mga ng mga competitive games kasi sobrang na-stress ako, no? Dahil na pag yung tipong ginagalingan mo na pero ang bobo ng mga kampi mo, nakaka-stress, 'di ba? And again, I'm working, no? I have a son. So sobrang lang, no, ikli lang ng oras ng gaming ko. Yung enjoyment mo pag nag-game ka as a working dad. So, para mas stress ka pa, dun sa onting time mo dapat na nag-enjoy ka gaming, nawawala na, no? Kasi stress ka na lang dahil because of, again, competitive gaming. Again, sobrang sarap niya sa pakiramdam and fulfilling pag nanalo kayo, 'di ba? Kasi that is the yun yung nakaka-hook sa competitive gaming eh. Yun yung addicting sa competitive gaming. Yung all of the teamwork, the struggle, like yung yung mga mind games mo, like how to intercept yung kalaban. Sobrang niya, no? Sarap sa pakiramdam pag nanalo kayo. But a downside nito is since hindi siya usually a one-player game or solo gaming, usually that teamwork kayo, may mga ka-team ka na may minsan kupal, minsan I don't know kung bakit may mga bata may mga bata na naglalaro nito, ganito, nung oras na, gabi na, may mga bata pa, or may mga nagtotroll, or may mga, you know what I mean. And minsan nakaka-frustrate and nakaka-init siya ng ulo. I mean, madalas, actually. No? Lalo na kung nakikita mo na lose streak ka na. So, that's the reason why huminto muna ako ng kahit anong competitive gaming. Hindi na muna ako nag-LOL. Hindi na rin ako nag-Dota. At the moment, no? Hindi ko alam, kasi pabago-bago eh. Best na rin ako huminto. Tapos babalik ulit. But, yeah. HOK, hindi ko pa natatry, actually. Kasi simula nung lumabas yung HOK, tumigil ako mag-competitive gaming.
1v1 daw kayo ni Pao.
1v1, oh. Okay. Hindi,
No.
sige. Kasi madalas nag-stream kami tapos naglalaro kami online.
Oh, really?
Kung magkataon makalaro sana namin, laro tayo ng HOK. Parang di naman naglalaro yung mga tao dito.
Hindi.
Ano natatakot?
Come on, man. Yun yung sinasabi ko, mamaya, sa sobrang dami ng tao na to eh. Ilan lang talaga yung pumunta dito para manood ng laro.
Naririnig. Marami naglalaro dyan. Nakakalaro ko yung mga yan. Dinudurog ko lahat yan eh. Hindi, pero no joke. I'm really thankful. It's a great opportunity for us kasi personally, I'm a gamer. So, it's one of my dreams to sing for this event. And syempre, nare-represent natin ang Filipino talent, di ba? But, hindi na natin patatagalin ba? Do you want more? Lahat kakanta. Lahat sisigaw. You're not just gonna stare there and do nothing and put your phones up. You all are gonna enjoy, okay?
I mean, totoo, no? That's usually what happened every time that there's a performance, not just for SB19, but for other artists as well. It seems like every time that, na we are watching a concert. I mean, hindi ako nagmamalinis sa bagay na yun. I mean, isang beses pa lang pupunta ng concert, yung SB19 yun. But, if you guys see, sa vlog ko, hindi naman lahat kinuhaan ko, no? Sometimes, like, just the introduction of the song, that tawag dito, nakawala na ako, titigil ko na yung pag-video kasi gusto ko siyang panoorin, like, absorb it, actually, not putting up my phone and just, trying to just capture it in a video.
Let's do it one more time.
Right, let's get it.
Let's go.
I am a fucking fortune teller. Psychic Kurt again. Hey. Dicing in the sound. Red Crimson. Now we go. On his dicing in. Hey.
I deserve it, not it change. These niggas pretend it mine. Something can play ball like a contest. You gotta buy more checks, I'm Nike. Giving you something to more than Nike. Too cold, I might can't stand me. Get up in my back, who can stop me? Copy, knock me, never been sloppy. Feeling all shot, but your boy so bossy. How do I stop that? It's so bossy. Wanna party, wanna see more pain.
Woo.
Boy so bossy. How do I stop that? It's so bossy. Wanna party, wanna
I actually just noticed that parang distorted na malaking vocals sa beat. You know, Sige, believe it, sise. So gusto ko talaga every time na they have an intro, no? Kay Pablo sa no? Kung gagawa tayo ng compilation every time that they perform Crimzone, and then ini-introduce nila si Pablo every time na papasok yung nakakatawa, no? Natutuwa ako. Sige! This song is just fucking slappers! Woo! Hey! Red Crimson, now we won. Hey. Let's go, man.
Thank you.
Muli, nagpapasalamat
Isa
kami
pa.
sa
Isa pa, no?
Salamat sa
Isa
mga
pa.
kay 18 and everyone who's in here. Muli, ako po si Pablo.
Ako po si Justin.
Ako po si Stel.
Ako po si Josh.
At ako si Ken.
Kami yang
SB19.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you
Let's
so
go,
much,
man.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you,
Grabe yun.
everyone. Have a great night. We love you.
Let's go. All right. Well, again, that is SB19 halftime show performance, the 2025 Honor of Kings International Championship. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. No, I really enjoyed that. Hindi ko na-expect na magkakaroon pa ng ibang kanta na ipe-perform nila. I thought Burn the Flame lang. And again, yung choreography ng Burn the Flame is saktong-sakto lang. Again, hindi ko na-expect talaga or na-expect ko na hindi siya magiging parang sobrang full pack na choreography, 'di ba? Kung makikita naman natin yung pinaka-may choreography sila doon is I guess a chorus. But on the verses, I mean wala talagang like solid like choreography, like let's say for example Damn, no, hindi katulad ng Damn. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. No? I mean, every time that SB19 is gonna perform, it's gonna be like a concert every time. But that's a reaction for today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.